everybody. This is Grady coming back to you from Uncle Sweetie's Model Works. Wanted to put my 2 cents in for the Holy Grail kits. I'm gonna stick with the idea that you have one, except I kind of have three. Anything beyond that really isn't a Holy Grail to me. But I have three, and I'm gonna go through them in reverse order. And they are all Johann kits, oddly enough, as most everybody's are. So, number three is the Bossman Cadillac. This particular kit, and I just recently got this in the last month or so at a price that I just couldn't pass up. So, this is a 1968 Cadillac Coupe de Ville. Uh, Actually, it's not a Coupe de Ville, is it? It's a Cadillac de Ville convertible. This is a close proximity and as close as you're going to get to a 1/24th kit of Boss Hogg's Cadillac in the Dukes of Hazzard. Now I have most of the Dukes of Hazzard collection. I've got General Lee, I've got Daisy's Jeep, I've got a Sheriff's Patrol car. Believe I have something else. I'm working on Daisy's Roadrunner, working on Cooter's tow truck. That's also kind of a holy grail, but I found an interesting fact about that kit here recently, and I'll get into that in a later video. So my second holy grail, number two in that spot, is the Johann. What do I have here? The American Motors Javelin. See if I can get that without some glare. So not just the regular Amex, but the Javelin, which was 71 and 72 only, I believe. This kit, as you can tell from the glare, is still sealed. This kit was a holy grail because this is my all-time favorite muscle car. I love the muscly shoulders on the fender wells, and it's very rare to see. It was very rare to see when I was a kid. This kit will eventually be done, probably in a close proximity to Plum Crazy, because I always loved the purple versions that I saw. The metallic green is another possibility, but I will probably go with purple. All of these kits have taken me years to find at a reasonable price or get to where I can afford to pay the unreasonable price. I did get a really good deal on the Bossman Cadillac. I got a fairly good deal on the Javelin, and this next one. This next one is, man, this has been a holy grail kit for me for a long, long time, and I almost kind of get a little emotional talking about it. This is, again, Johann, the Heavenly Hearse. Now, there's only one part missing my holy grail here. This is a 66 Cadillac hearse, and this is, what's missing is, I want this, either a kit or an empty box in the original funeral car box art. I got this because it's a kit I want to build. Hopefully someday I will have that box art to put on my wall. That will get a special display, as will this kit. I drove this car when I was in high school. My second car was a 1966 Cadillac hearse, S&S coach. It had been converted by a family to travel across the country. They'd tinted all the windows. They'd put not a mattress, but they'd done the back in a bed in black crushed velvet. They had black crushed velvet captain's chairs in the back. Had a built-in TV, built-in cooler, built-in fan for the back. And crap. had meant to get a license plate that I had on it to show you guys as well. And I'm not going to go get it now because it'd take me 3 or 4 minutes off camera, and I have not figured out how to cut and paste video segments yet. So there's a custom license plate, state of Missouri, so it's black with yellow lettering. It says "Are You Dead 2?" RU letters DED number 2. And I drove that thing for several years. My senior year of high school and several years after. My all-time favorite car. I wish I'd never gotten rid of it. So this kit is particularly special to me. The Boss Cadillac is special because it's part of the Dukes of Hazzard collection. This and the Javelin are true Holy Grail kits. If I had to give up all the rest of my model kits, the many. This, in particular, and the AMX Javelin would not go. I won't say out of my cold dead hands, but pretty much out of my cold dead hands. Yeah, these are really special to me. So I wouldn't say that I have any Holy Grail kits left. I have a lot of other kits that I have wanted at a very high level. I have a very long list of kits that I still want, some at higher levels than others. That list is probably 200 kits long. Yeah, I already have enough that I'll probably never build them, so let's add 200 more. But if I get the chance, I will do so. Those include things like there's a resin kit of the Chrysler Turbo Interceptor, also known as the Wraith car from the movie The Wraith. There's another particular resin kit that I don't even remember what it is. Some others specifically are the AMT Paystar Heavy Hauler, the mining dump truck, John Deere 310 tractor, and all these have, I won't say dioramas because I probably won't get into backgrounds, but scenes for me of having a trailer, semi-rig, flatbed trailer, low boy trailer, that kind of thing, with some of this heavy equipment riding on it. A Goldwing Mercedes, to me a Hayabusa motorcycle kit, because I had motorcycles for a long time. The last time I bought one, I almost bought a Hayabusa, and if I ever get the chance to do so again, I will probably buy the Hayabusa. I've never had a sport bike like that, but I'm old enough now that, if I do something stupid and kill myself at 150 miles an hour, well, I've had a good run. Anyway, that's my take on the Holy Grail kits. Thanks for dropping in. As always, YouTube algorithms, like, subscribe, share. I wouldn't even mind a channel shout out. Get me a few more subscribers. And this time, definitely, the next time you see me, I will be putting the 86 Monte Carlo SS for the box stock group build into primer. That's my next thing. I'll probably get that done tomorrow. Hopefully have a video out for that in a couple of days. Thanks for stopping in. Y'all have a great day.